Okay guys, 2004 Ford Mustang GT, clean title, clean CarFax, V8 motor. Convertible. Pretty clean little rig. Got like brand new tires on it. Leather. Two sets of keys. So 74,961 on the miles. No lights on the dash. Cruise control. AC. There's your VIN number. Clean seats there, no ribs, no tears. Original manuals in there. No cracks on the dash. This thing must have been garaged most of its life. Paint. Pretty dang clean, guys. Check out our inventory at realdealauto.com.